Welcome guys, this is Redmi Note 10s. Apply heat on the back cover of the phone. Make space between back cover and body. Remove back cover of the phone with X-ray. Be careful, do not damage flex which is under the back cover of the phone. Remove all the screws. Remove camera glass because screws are under the camera glass. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Disconnect battery connector. Remove inner body. Disconnect charging board flex. Remove screws from ringer buzzer. Remove ringer buzzer. Remove pull-out charging port board. Install new charging port board in the body. Connect flex connector to the charging port board. Connect antenna wire. Install ringer buzzer in the body. Put back screw on the ringer buzzer. Install inner body. Connect battery connector to the main board. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Put back all the screws and install camera glass. Apply gum on the place of back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.